Obtaining feedback from the audience. Obtaining feedback from the audience is an important aspect of evaluating the effectiveness of a presentation, including the use of visual and audiovisual aids. Here are some techniques for obtaining feedback from the audience. Number 1, surveys. Surveys are a popular and effective way to obtain feedback from the audience. They can be conducted in person or online and can be customized to ask specific questions about the presentation, including the use of visual and audiovisual aids. Surveys can provide quantitative data that can be analyzed to identify trends and areas for improvement. Number 2, question and answer sessions. Question and answer sessions can also provide valuable feedback from the audience. This allows the audience to ask questions and provide comments about the presentations, including their thoughts on the use of visual and audiovisual aid. It is important for presenters to actively listen to the audience and address their concerns and feedback. Number 3, focus groups. Focus groups are more in a depth way to obtain feedback from the audience. They involve bringing together a small group of individuals to discuss the presentations and the use of visual and audiovisual aids. This allows presenters to gain a deeper understanding of the audience perspectives and to identify specific areas for improvement. Number 4, one-on-one conversations. One-on-one conversations with members of the audience can also provide valuable feedback. This allows presenters to have a more personal and individualized conversation with members of the audience, which can be especially useful for understanding the perspective of specific individuals or groups. Number 5, social media. Social media can also be used to obtain feedback from the audience. This can be done through online surveys or by encouraging audience members to share their thoughts and feedback on social media platforms using a specific hashtags. When obtaining feedback from the audience, it is important for presenters to actively listen to the feedback provided and to take feedback into account when making changes and improvements to their presentations. Presenters should also be open to constructive criticism and use the feedback to improve their future presentations. By obtaining feedback from the audience, presenters can continually improve their use of visual and audiovisual aids and create more effective and engaging presentations.